the first day of 2026. It is my first time in Crewe. I'm going to show you a great game, but more importantly, I'm going to show you two absolutely amazing fan bases. Firstly though, let me show you how I got from the train station to the ground. Right, so outside the Mornflake Stadium. So do you still call it Gresty Road, mate, or do you call it the Mornflake?
I still call it Gresty, mate.
What about the regular fans? Do they call it Gresty or is it the Mornflake?
I'd say they call it Gresty, yeah.
Yeah, fair play. So you work for the club, you're selling raffle tickets, but
selling raffle tickets, mate.
Yeah, nice one, mate. And is it a charitable cause or?
Yeah, it goes towards the academy and stuff like that.
Oh, brilliant! Yeah, because you got a legendary academy from back in the 90s. We all know about that. But what about the new year, new start, mate? What are you thinking? Are you optimistic? Or?
Yeah, get the players back who've been injured. Should be all right. Kick on, stay up there.
So you're sort of mid-table League 2 at the moment, aren't you? Because I can't remember. When's the last time have you ever dropped out of the league? Or?
Never touch wood.
Is that right?
Yeah, never.
That's insane, isn't it? But you're another one of those teams. Like who was it the other day? Rochdale never dropped out of the league until this season, wasn't it?
Yeah.
And you're another one of them. You're always like around 3rd, 4th tier, but you never dropped out. That's amazing.
Hopefully we never do.
Yeah. So how many people are you expecting in there today, man?
Going off the results, probably about 3.5.
Yeah. Be a bit of noise for me to get on camera, or?
In the Gresty Road end, yeah.
Yeah, I think that's where I'm sitting. So.
Yeah, get in there, mate.
Oh, look, what about you, mate? Where do you sit?
I sit main stand with my old man.
Is it? Yeah, fair play. Well, I wish you all the best, mate. Thanks for talking to me, and best of luck for the rest of the season, yeah? Right then, second interviewee of the pre-match. So I'm stood outside the club shop. What about yourself, mate? Are you looking forward to the game? Is it a new year, new start?
Hope so, yeah. Not the best few victories like recently, really. Really got a poor showing against Newport away a few days ago.
Yeah.
Quite a lot of fan debate at the minute over the manager.
Yeah.
Quite a few people say want him gone, people want him in still. It's tricky days at the minute. But,
who's the star player going into it? Just for me as a neutral, like.
Today, the one to watch out for would be Mickey DeVitru. He's a captain.
Yeah.
He's been injured for quite a while. It's his first game in a few weeks.
And are you sat in the singing section yourself then, or?
I am, yes. I don't know.
What's the main song going into it then? Do you reckon?
Probably chatting about Mickey. A few words that I'm not going to repeat, but
yeah,
but it should be an interesting game today.
Well, I'll be hoping to get some of that noise on camera, mate. So give it your best today, and it'll be on the online tomorrow, mate. Thank you very much. Crewe score after literally 30 seconds, and I missed the goal and the celebration. 2-0 to Crewe then. It has been dominance from the Cheshire side and they've doubled their lead. At least they got the celebration this time. There we go then, it is half time, it's 3-1 to Crewe. Really exciting first half, and as I said, brilliant display from both sets of fans. Take a moment to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Make yourself a cup of tea and get ready for the second half. Crewe Alexandra got their 3-1 lead then. It's taken along quite nicely for them. Unusually in English football, both sets of fans are chanting even when one of them is losing. Oh! 4-1 down, but the Cheltenham fans are still singing strong. Quite incredible really as the match finishes. Right then, mate. So post-match, just left the ground. I'm on my way to get my train, but what a win, mate.
3-1. Being a Crewe fan, you're still on edge. You don't think that, you know, they're going to win.
Yeah, exactly. But with that home support, isn't it? I mean, to be fair, the away support was superb as well,
Oh, yeah.
as we will see in my video. But Crewe support was really good as well, wasn't it?
Yeah, I felt it was flat.
Really?
I don't know if how it came across to you.
Oh, it was loud to me, but
Yeah.
you're telling me sometimes it can be louder than that, yeah?
Oh yeah,
Really?
I just think it was whether because of the Newport result and the Walsall
Yeah.
result, people were a little bit down.
Yeah. So what do you reckon then? 2026, win 100% record in 2026. What do you reckon? Do you reckon they'll go win every game for the rest of the season?
No,
Not quite, no?
No.
Where do you reckon you'll finish up?
just below the playoffs.
Yeah.
I don't think we'll get into the
Well,
playoffs.
listen, mate, thank you so much for talking to me. I'm
You're
going to run and get my
welcome.
train, but
Yeah.
best of luck for the rest of the season, yeah?
Thank you very much.
Thank you.